What is up, everybody? My name is Wadi The Crypto Hunter. How's everyone doing today? What is going on, Tim Shay in the house? Appreciate you being here, bro. Yeah, today I did a bit of a late stream. Actually, I was trying to figure out some things, but I couldn't. Not yet. So hopefully tomorrow I'll get everything sorted out. Seiko Hunt, what's going on? Welcome, welcome. Tim Shea, thank you for the $5 donation and for the congrats. Really appreciate that. Thank you, Tim. Look out behind you. Well, there's a ghost. There's a ghost, MK. Welcome, welcome, MK. And Darlene, how are you, baby? That's my niece. Okay, hey, Siko Han. Hey, Glenn. Well, guys, I am. Whew, Seiko Han, God bless you. Thank you for the $20 donation. Really appreciate that, man. That's on call for. Actually, I'm trying to do a big party tomorrow, monetization party. So if you guys want, save it for tomorrow, but I really appreciate it. And if you gave me something today, you don't gotta do it tomorrow. Um, Literally, thank you, thank you. So what I was gonna say is I'm working on talking to a couple of projects and for them to donate something for the stream. And like I said, I want to do something big, big time. But I want also the community to benefit from it. So some nice giveaways and a special guest or a few special guests. So what's going on, DNA OG in the house? Welcome, welcome. Appreciate you guys being here. Okay, so let's get into Bitcoin first, ladies and gentlemen. Um, it's looking pretty decent. I'm not gonna lie. I didn't really expect this, but right now, like I told you guys on my last stream, I expect actually Bitcoin to touch around the 30 to 31K. And then from there, maybe we're going to see a downturn. The reason why is two reasons. One, the star chart side, it's looking pretty overbought right here. And the regular RSI, it's not yet. So that's a good sign. Party tomorrow. I might have to pull out the suit. Yes, MK. Yes, please do. Maddie B in the house. What's going on, Maddie? Welcome, welcome. Appreciate you being here. So, with that being said, let me take a look at the 1 hour chart. Right now, it is looking pretty bullish, in my opinion. I mean, I did not expect it to happen this way. What type of party, Maddie? We're having monetization party. I finally, thank God and thanks to you guys, became a YouTube partner. I might just have to pull out iWadi, high design, GS in the house. What's going on, GS? Welcome, welcome. Appreciate you guys being here. Pull up. Yeah, I was gonna say I don't know where you pull it out from, bro, but okay. Um, all right. So, oh, this good, Wadi. Yes, yes. So basically, from right here, what I am seeing is that it is looking bullish because of the fact the star chart side on the monthly chart. Let me explain this part a little bit. When you see the blue line being longer or overextended than the red line, that usually means a good continuation towards the upside. It's a possible that it could go sideways Yes, but the percentage is very minimum in this case. I expected that by ISO 2022 is coming sooner than expected. That's when bank and corps get in implementation in June. Make sure to hit the like button, family. Appreciate that. Appreciate that. Um, yeah. So I had a long talk with Max, and he also believed that there is going to be a bull run and even a major run with the whole ISO utility thing. And I also, well, you know, I'm not going to talk about it out of respect for Daniel, but he just gave me some information that I'll wait until he shares it. And then from there, I'll talk about it on the next stream. Now, tomorrow's stream, guys, it's not going to be so much about crypto. I'm not going to have any charts. It's going to be more about just hanging out. It's Saturday and celebrating the wins. That's what it's going to be about. So, okay, right here, I don't have, which I'm going to have to take out one to put the other. But so far, like I said, on the monthly chart is not looking too bad. And if you put the horizontal line right here, the furthest Bitcoin could push up maybe is between 39 and the lowest is going to be at 30K, which is right with a 20 moving average. It could reject it. So just in case, make sure to hit the like button, family. Appreciate that DNA. With the Fed printing money, Max could be right. The start of the bull run. Yes, that's the thing. So there's two things that I'm actually finding to be very bullish right now. One is the fact that, oh shoot, crypto launch in the house. Thank you, bro. I appreciate that. God bless you, man. $50 donation, much appreciated. He says, "What up, Wadi and the Watt Squad? Congrats on monetization, bro. Let's go. Appreciate you, appreciate you." So with this thing, oh, by the way, Michael, um, I don't know if you work tomorrow night, bro, but if you don't, you're more than welcome to jump on. That's why I'm planning to have a big party. And basically, yeah, back to this. The feds are printing money. On top of that, the banks are falling. So that can only mean one thing. A lot of people is gonna refuge in Bitcoin. So with that being said, we're going to see what's gonna happen. Present for family in Blueface. Present. Hashtag was squad. OG crypto. What is present about, bro? I seen you mention it a couple of times. Um, so yeah, that might be bullish news for the crypto market. Let me see any other news right here, real quick, even though I don't really see anything. And the whole thing, so let's talk about it. It's only fair. I brought it up yesterday. The whole thing with Shiba Inu and BitBoy. Now, if I'm honest, it's not what I expected. I literally thought they was gonna say the whole FTX team is behind it. And if that would have been the case, then yeah, that would have been real bad for everyone. But the guy apparently is not really that bad, so it's just he's dog. So what? if it really is him, because that's another thing he came out and he said that it's not him, that yes, he was involved in certain things when Shiba Inu started, but he hasn't been involved since. But that he is not Ryoshi. So we'll wait to see who's telling the truth. OG saying not financial advice, but gold, silver, platinum. Got you. Got you. Just wait. All right, OG, I'll look into that. Okay, so the first news right here, real quick, is as Silicon Valley Bank parent firm files for Chapter 11 protection. And it says a few days after its former business, Silicon Valley Bank was taken over by U.S. authority. SVB Financial Group said on March 17 that it had filed for a core supervised restructuring under Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection to see purchasers of its asset. The decision to initiate bankruptcy procedure was made because emergency steps taken to restore trust have as of yet been unable to ease concern over the spread of the financial contagion. Daughter calling me, I'll be back. Okay, OG. So it says FB Financial Group troubled. The firm said earlier this week they intend to seek strategic option for its operation, which include the holding company SVV, SVB Capital and SVVB Security. Damn it, those BB. The company announced that the funds and general partner entity associated with SVB Security and SVB Capital will not be included in Chapter 11 filing. The company also stated that it intended to move forward with evaluating alternative option for the business and its other asset and investment. On March 16, Crypto News reported that the parent business was considering selling its asset while filing for bankruptcy protection. In a March 17 report, the business said it had around 2.2 billion in liquid asset at the end of the previous year. It had total asset value of $209 billion, $209 billion. SVV situation with the failure of Silicon Valley Bank and Signature Bank a week ago, the value of financial equity has decreased by many billions of dollars, and the level of credit stress experienced by Wall Street, most important financial institution, has increased. According to Art Hogan, chief market strategies at B Rally Investment. What's going on? Selma Fudd in the house. Welcome, welcome. Appreciate you being here. B Rally Investment Management. It it is hard to tell whether there are further shoes to drop, but I believe a significant percentage of the unfavorable news is out there. Silicon Valley Bank, whose saga was caused a decline in NFT sales and a drop in cryptocurrency, was put out of business by regulations and regulators in California on March 18, and the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation FIDIC was appointed receiver because of a spike in rates eroded value. Silicon Valley Bank was obliged to sell a portfolio of treasuries and mortgage backed security to Goldman Sachs for a loss of 1.8 billion. The portfolio consider a mortgage backed security and treasuries concerned customer withdrew deposit, which resulted in 42 billion being removed from the company account in a single day, even though the company had sought to rise 2.25 billion in common equity and preferred convertible shares. So that is not looking good for them, but at least they are trying to recover what they lost, I guess. What's good? What's good? Shaman says in the house. Welcome, welcome. Appreciate you guys being here. Now, this is one of the news that everybody's talking about. FTX influencer faced 1 billion fraud lawsuit over crypto promotion. So I will say this. I'm gonna read it and then I'm gonna give you my point of view. The Moskowitz law firm represent the plaintiff in a class action lawsuit led by Edwin and Garrison against FTX influencer, mainly operating on YouTube. The lawsuit alleged that these influencers promoted FTX crypto fraud without disclosing compensation and seek 1 billion in damage. The lawsuit was filed on March 15 in the Miami division of the Southern District of Florida, and respondents named in the suit include Kevin Paffrosh, Jeremy Lefbret, Tom Nash. Okay, now I feel like I'm speaking Hebrewish here. Okay, so a couple of influencer, Ben Armstrong, Big Boy Crypto, Erica Colbert, Graham Stephan, and Creators Agency. So, according to the law firm, the suit is a merger of multiple class action suits. The first FTX related class action was filed in the country by Edwin Garrison on November 17, 2022, is being led by him. The suit target FTX influencers who are mostly active on YouTube platform. Um, the digital asset from SVB and the other failed bank went to JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, and State Bank, three huge banks. Yeah, but you know what I didn't like about that, Tim, that if what I understood correctly, they sold it at a way lower cost, which that's kind of like you're jipping people. So let's say, for example, I have one Bitcoin, right? And I know how much Bitcoin is worth, but I come to you and you're desperate and you know you cannot find Bitcoin anywhere else, but I sell it to you for $10,000 more. That's kind of a ripoff, in my opinion. The voter in your Paul. Okay. And by the way, guys, don't forget tonight at 9 p.m. the Lazy Shaman Show. I'll actually be in the chat there. I'll say hello. Um, Shaman, you could post your link for everyone who hasn't joined in case. And if you haven't, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and turn on the notification so when I come on live stream again. And also when I do some uploaded videos. FTX case consolidation in Miami, a formal request has been made to the multi-district litigation panel to consolidate all ongoing and future federal FTX cases to be hard in Miami, Florida. The potential class damages in this case could exceed 5 billion. In addition, the choice of Miami as the venue for this litigation was based on several factors. FTX was headquartered in Miami, which made it a natural location for this lawsuit. Agree, Wadi. The bank wanted those assets, the rich get richer type. Yeah, that's exactly my point, Tim. So you see right there, they kind of made themselves look like the hero when in reality it's not the case. Okay, so it says additionally, a significant number of FTX brand ambassadors reside in Florida, which further strengthened Miami position as an appropriate venue for this case. Guys, this is the link to the Lazy Shaman show tonight, 9 p.m. So make sure you guys go over there, check them out. Um, Furthermore, Florida law can be used to represent all investors who have been impacted by this case, which added further weight to the argument for consolidation in Miami. Over the past 6 months, the party involved have been working dil- dil- diligently to organize and synchronize the state and federal court. FTX has consolidated action before Michael Hansman in Florida State Court and federal judge Moore and Chief Fudge. Okay. Altonaga in Florida Federal Court. The primary objective of the parties involved was reported to be simply the litigation process, streamline resources, and secure best possible outcome for all affected investor involved. Okay, so what I was gonna say earlier is let me see. I see Racket Club in the house. Que lo que Racket. Welcome, welcome, bro. Uh Racket say he's all 10 p.m. EST. Make sure you all retweet the giveaway so you are enter. Okay, there's a giveaway. Yay. Oh shit, let me triple check. Well, I saw at 9 p.m., guys, so I don't know. If it says 10 p.m., I don't know. I saw at 9 p.m. But yeah, so right here, this is the thing that I was gonna say, but obviously they did clear the reason why is because they didn't say this include paid promotion. So let's talk a little bit about that. If you're promoting something on YouTube, right? And it's paid promotion, you're supposed to disclose that it is paid promotion. Hey babe, welcome, welcome. I'm back. Look, okay, OG, welcome back. In the tweets. Okay, so basically, this is another thing that you guys gotta understand. When it says paid promotion, read between the line. Paid promotion, people. It doesn't mean buy. It doesn't mean sell. It's just paid promotion. Literally, you're getting paid to promote it. Now, you're doing the if you're doing YouTube, you disclose that, you're good to go. You're doing it and you're not disclosing it, which that's obviously what happened there, then yeah, you look guilty. You look like you're promoting it just for the love of it, and that's it. And then obviously the whole thing that happened, became a problem. Don't worry, Tim. They tried to continue the other day that I had the time wrong. Okay. So usually you could go and get mad, right? And a lot of people can get mad at it. But at the same time, if a YouTuber is promoting to, if a YouTuber is getting paid to promote something and they don't know it's a scam, and later on people can just go get mad at them just because it turned out to be a scam. Let's say, for example, even though we're close, I highly doubt it. But all right, we have a couple of coffee lovers in the house. Let's say if I'm promoting Bustelo, right? You're wrong. Okay. And if I promoted Bustelo coffee and it turned out to be a fake brand, but I got paid to actually promote it, it's it really my fault if it turned out to be a fake brand? Just saying, throwing it out there. I know it wasn't the best analogy, but it works. Um, all right. So now the different story would be, let's say an example, if I know, there's a fake brand, but I'm still promoting it as it being a legit brand, then yeah, you're guilty. And for that, you got to pay, in my opinion. Now, let me see. Let me see. Eco finance, subscription project, leverage, and defunct. Not interested on that. Solana NFT marketplace function to shut down with the wallet renews Estonian license amid tighter 1 billion Bitcoin move at once. Ah, exactly, Tim. Um, over 40,141 Bitcoin were moved in a single transaction on March 16, 2023, showing once again how the introduction of BTC improved large settlements. The Bitcoin transaction in question moved 1.05 billion from 254 addresses to two separate output address. The cost of the transaction was 333,000 Satoshi worth about 87 bucks. Damn, to move, yeah, I mean, about 1 billion, just pay 87 bucks. That's pretty good if you ask me. The transfer sum, all the address involved are owned by major cryptocurrency exchange Binance. This massive transaction serves as a reminder of the many benefits of utilizing Bitcoin for large settlement. In particular, it underscores the inherent efficiency, cost effectiveness, and security of cryptocurrency based settlement compared to traditional banking method. So, and let me just comment on this real quick. Tim, will you believe me if I tell you I still got the two NFTs, the ones I bought and the ones I got for free, which is never sold. And they're just sitting there looking pretty. So I know what you mean. A big BTC transaction in traditional banking system moving such a large amount of money would generally involve numerous intermediary banks, each of which might charge fees for processing the transaction. This result in lower transfer, higher costs, and increased complexity. Furthermore, international transfer are likely to require currency conversion, adding even more fees and potential delay due to a different time zone and banking hours. Bitcoin, on the other hand, simplify the process considerably, and transferring to your second wallet or to another continent make no different. Oh, another continent. Sorry, my English. At times, my English get very, very bad. Okay, that's the wrong accent. So I don't know. Yeah, racket, but obviously that ship has sailed, bro. I had the one on one and one of the two that transfer into. I actually sold one before they rug. Nice, nice, Tim. At least you got something out of it. What a 420 butt monster in the house. Welcome, welcome. What's going on? So, all right. So I get what this article is going. And CZ made this move to try to prove a point, which the point is with crypto, you don't got to worry about the whole bank process, the whole cost that is going, you know, to happen when you decide to move a certain amount of money. With Bitcoin, you could just transfer from A to B and it's a done deal. XRP, you could transfer A to B and it's a done deal. But with traditional money, you got to go through the whole 20 locks of processing before that money is actually released. And by the time it gets there, if it's 1 billion, you probably got like, who knows, maybe 700 million, 900 million. Tim is one of the few that made some bankruptcy. Yeah, congrats on that, Tim. In addition, lower cost Bitcoin transaction can be executed more quickly than traditional bank transfer, which often take several days to clear, especially for international transfer. Bitcoin transactions might contrast typically take just minutes or hours to be confirmed by the network, depending on the network congestion and the fee paid by the sender. This fee is particularly advantageous for businesses and individuals that require fast, efficient settlement. So, like I said, I get what CC did there. He was trying to prove a point, or as they say, flex on the fact that the bank system is kind of corrupted, and that's that. And that it sucks to move money. That's all. I made 1,100, but it were luck. Nice, Maddie. Nice. Well, so to be fair, guys, I spent on the token. And when I heard the whole merger thing, it didn't sit right with me. So I sold and I got out. The NFTs, on the other hand, I held on to it. I thought it was going to get somewhere, especially with the guy from Marble, the artist, whatever he is. I thought, okay, so here's money to be made, and then boom, that's it. Okay, now Cameron, one of the Gemini twins, says Fed action is green light to buy BTC. Not to worry, I lost it. So, Maddie, you know what, man? I was just saying congratulations. At least you made money. But yeah, man, I mean, the market is a tough place to be involved in. You don't know what's really legit nowadays. And I could kind of see, like, I had a friend that always used to tell me, look, man, what you're doing is gambling. What you're doing is gambling. I'm like, it's not gambling. You are investing like the traditional stock. And then, obviously you wait until it goes up and you sell, right? I don't see the gambling there. Now, the part that it is gambling, when some of these projects comes out and you don't know what they're really trying to do, then yeah, you're gambling. You're betting that, okay, if the project goes up and does everything they say they're gonna do, then you're gonna make some nice money. But if the project doesn't do that and they decide to pull a rug, then that's a different story. That's the problem with DeFi. And then there's another problem that investors have. If you put in, let's say, $500 in any project, any, oh yeah, I cannot curse anymore. So any crap Inu token, right? Your $500 went to $1,000. You just 2x. If you 2x, my question is, why would you sit there waiting, staring at it until it goes down all the way to 500? Then you look at it, goes down to 500, and then you go see it go down below the 500, and you're still holding. That is the $1 million question. Why? G Man in the house. What's going on, bro? Welcome, welcome. All right, so it says Gemini co-founder Cameron Winklevoss has given his thought on the Federal Reserve plan to lend 300 billion to financial institution. Winklevoss asserts that the Fed just added 300 billion reason for adopting cryptocurrency like Bitcoin. The response from Winklevoss came after it was reported that financially struggling banks had borrowed 300 billion from the Fed emergency reserve. The central bank made the whole report to the general public. So that's his tweet. And he says more than half the total amount, or 143 billion, was given to holding companies for Silicon Valley Bank and Signature Bank, two big bank on the verge of collapse the previous week. As a direct result of this dilemma, widespread fear has been shown throughout the various financial market. The Fed did not disclose the identities of the other financial institutions that share in the distribution of the remaining fund, nor did they release any information on the number of the institution that took part in the process. Well, this is from NBC. I don't want to play it because I don't want to get a copyright strike. It says the previous weekend collapse of two banks provides an early look into the scale of the Fed help to the banking industry. This data give an early peek into the magnitude of the assistance. The Fed has announced the creation of a new credit facility with a capacity of $11.9 billion, further extending its assistance as was the to be anticipated in response to the news. The cryptocurrency market engaged in a bullish run. The value of the most prominent cryptocurrency, such as Bitcoin, has been massive price surge as of today trading session. In the last 2 weeks, we have seen the failure of three significant banks that supported cryptocurrency. The most recent step taken by the Fed demonstrate not just the backing that conventional financial institutions have, but also the lack of support in the Bitcoin arena. So this is what I'm hearing. When I'm reading this right here, what I'm hearing is that Bitcoin is a fake pump. Right now, might just be a fake pump. Obviously, none of this is financial advice. You do your own research. Crap. Hold on. Here we go. So if if I see BTC break above 32K, then I could say there is a big possibility that just maybe we are in a mini bull market. But the fact that this is a move made by the Feds and it caused FOMO and into the market, that just tells me, look at that, strong buy. That just tells me that it is not safe right now, if you ask me. So let me see. Now, what wouldn't be funny if a report comes out later on and they say that, because another thing that doesn't make sense, Bitcoin is going up, right? But why is the stock market crashing? Because I was checking out the Muin and it was at 16 yesterday. Today I saw at 14. And that's a sign that the stock market is crashing. Gotta head out. See you later. All right, Shaman. Enjoy your show, bro. See you in a bit, probably. Um, why is this looking like this? Okay, here we go. So technically speaking, if I remove the boiler jump bands, what's up, baby? You're creepy. Oh, you know what? Let me even see this right here. Okay, okay. So I also see another bullish thing right here. The Heikenhashi candle. They're all green, so that's also a good indication. Let me see on the weekly. Uh, Okay, on the daily. All right, so it might be a fat fake pump and everything, but I gotta admit, the Star RSI is looking good. The Hakanashi candles is looking good. The RSI is on oversold territory, which it might come down eventually. But as of now, the MACD is looking extraordinary. See, I mentioned this last time when the MACD opened with strength, and then you take a look at this volume right here. That's how you know if it's a real pump or if it's a fake pump. So there goes my answer. I usually go by what I see on the technical analysis and not by what the feds or whatever does. I need to go to sleep soon, nearly 1 a.m. here. Hi, 420. Thank you for stopping by. Have a good night, bro. So if you put it from that perspective, then yeah. Let me see this. Mm, Yep. All right. So just for safety purposes, I'll still say 30K, 30 to 32, and we'll see what happens for safety measures. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate that. Learn me something new every day. That I don't know what the heck is going on with a tech chart. G man, um, the chart is not really that bad, bro. So when you're doing trading, this is the tricky part about it. Like you see right here, the volume. If the volume is this low and you see a major pump, then that's a fake out. So if the volume start looking like this and you see a major pump, then that's a real pump. So right now, even though I still feel it's a fake pump produced by FOMO, but the volume is looking pretty solid. That I cannot knock off. Now, does it mean we're going to go to 50, 40K? No, I'll say 30 and boom. G man, just flip a coin whether to buy or not. Not financial advice. All right, guys. So I'm running into the 10-minute session. And if you guys haven't, please make sure to like and subscribe. We really appreciate it. It will get me going on the algorithm. And on top of that, every other thing here. So thanks to everyone. I officially became a YouTube partner. I am officially monetize. I just gotta wait for this thing that they gotta send me, and we're 100% good to go. Let me see. Okay, so Metropolitans is one of my sponsors, which they have a play to mint metaverse going on. Let me go to their Twitter account. They are KYC. They also have great YouTubers, Too Big Crypto, Crypto Family, Adam Shelton, myself, and this is the pink sale right here. The launch pad protocol to everyone. You click on the pre-sale. Let me see if it started. Okay, so it hasn't started just yet. I believe so. Starts in 44 days, 16 hours. I'm guessing. Okay. So the private sale is going on right now. And then there's going to be the public sale. And if you guys want more information on that, just hit me up with a DM. I'll contact the team and I'll uh, let them know. And this is what they got going on right here. Thanks for letting me hang out when there's poker. Poker is gonna be on the 25th. Crypto Smith in the house. What's going on, Sean? Welcome, welcome. By the way, Sean, I know tomorrow you usually stream, but if you can before your stream at 7 p.m., you're more than welcome. I'm trying to have a monetization party. Uh, thank you, G man. Appreciate that. So yeah, on the 25th, there's gonna be another poker tournament. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, that is Metropolitan's project. This is the website. You can go to Twitter, go to at Metropolitans underscore IO, and you can go follow them. Um, let's talk about yes, Sean, 7 p.m. EST. Let's talk about MMAI. Hi, you too, G man. No worries, bro. All right, Sean. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate that. So I'm gonna make sure I put your face on the flyer. All right. So MMAI, they signed not too long ago a $2 million deal with NS Lab, MOU. This is the picture. That's for further development on the wallet and every other technology that's gonna come out through that. We have Space Chick, which is one of the YouTuber. We have Crypto Smith, Crypto Launch, myself, Awesome Austin, Alex Crypto for Started, Worldwide Crypto, Dr. Crypto, and those are the YouTuber there. This is one of the news release, MMAI released beta version of Web3 game, an immersed third person shooter, which that actually I have a clip and they have it over here. We have Tim Shea that also has been helping out, talking about the project. Great community. We have Daniel Gayton, of course. We got Chaka. And this is the mini video that I did based on a couple of videos from gameplay. Okay, so definitely check out MMAI. They are working on a lot of things. They're the blockchain layer two. They're working on the pure wallet, which I'm going to bring up right here. That's the pure wallet, which is also going to have a cold storage within the wallet. And they're working on the pure world, which reminds me, I haven't okay, I gotta wait then. I haven't downloaded the pure world ever since it- Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, I had to mute the noise because in case literally YouTube is very strict, any copyright strike. Oh, it also has Transact, which you'll be able to purchase with debit card, Zelle, Google Pay, Apple Pay. So pretty good stuff. Let me see. Like I said, they're working on a proof of authority blockchain, and the website has changed a lot. I like it. Looks more professional now. These are some of the properties that you're going to be able to rent out. And MMAI Games, which is the one I just showed you there. They got the token. It started outed. They got the white paper, blockchain, metaverse, and AI deep learning. These are the AI technology partner, Creativia, ICT, NS Lab, and Connectgo. So if you want more information, feel free to go into the Telegram right here. You go to MMAIpure.com, then you could go to the Telegram, and right there, there's always somebody to help out. Um, Now another sponsorship, which I gotta put in the logo again because I thought I had it, but I noticed I didn't. Is TRL token. Yeah, so the reason why I gotta move to the side is because of the mic. Whoa. The rug launch token. So about this project right here, I like the fact that everyone is fully doxxed. They even got the wallet docs, and the chart has been looking nice ever since it launched. I haven't seen it drop or anything like that. It just keep going up slowly and surely. Um, this is the founder, Grant Bartholomew, lead research manager, Andrew Eden, and the Decepticon lead designer, John Ongia, community management researcher, solutionist, Desmond Ben, our friend Jeremy, crypto realist, strategic planner, project evaluator, and lead negotiator. Then we got Chaka Crypto, marketing, community, branding, and awareness. Then you got this ugly guy right here, Wadi the Crypto Hunter, marketing, community, branding, and awareness. So you guys could come on and check out, their supply is 100 billion. There is a 6% buy, 8% sale on the taxes. So obviously none of this is financial advice. You go to the website, the Rug Launch, and you find out whatever you need, obviously as far as research, and see if this is a fit for you. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, says appreciate the info, Wadi. No, no problem, brother. I appreciate you being here, G Man. Thank you for everything. And like I said, don't forget to be here tomorrow, 7 p.m. EST. Hopefully, I'll get to do something epic, something different. That is the goal. And with that being said, have a good night, everyone, and God bless y'all.